Packing tapes, generally not the most interesting of subjects until it all sort of goes wrong and you end up getting really frustrated with them. So before I begin, I will say that I do up a few parcels a day, so I'm not a big user, but I am a regular user. So I've made this video to share some thoughts and experiences and some of my learnings about using different types of tape. First of all, I should say that I use a tape dispenser like that rather than a full-blown tape gun. I don't use it enough to warrant a tape gun, and I find the dispenser works really well for me, and it's small enough to store. But obviously if you're using a tape gun, the results might actually vary a little bit. First off, I should say a little word around cheap tapes. I did try using those initially, and I found they were just incredibly frustrating, mainly due to the fact that the glue used to stick from one side to the other, or they had a habit of tearing lengthways, and then you just end up trying to ping the bit of tape off, and so you actually get a clean dispense out of it. So I very quickly stopped using cheap tapes, and I went over and started using the 3M tape. I found mostly that worked really well. So it got rid of all the issues of the cheap tape had. The only thing I found with that one is this tape is actually made out of polypropylene, and it's got a little bit of stretch on it. So when you actually dispense it, it does have a habit of pinging back, and that then forms an almighty mess. It's a problem I can sometimes get with the 3M tape, that if you pull it out and you then pull it together, it'll have a habit of pinging back on itself like that. So this part of the tape is now stuck to that part, and it becomes an absolute pig to get it freed out. So that's really a big annoyance of that tape, and it's just due to the fact that it's got a little bit of stretch in it, as you can see there. I then tried this Tesa tape. This is actually made out of PET, so that's the same material as you have with fizzy drinks bottles. You can hear it's a little bit different, it's a little bit stronger, and when you open it up, it doesn't ping back on itself. And if you actually get hold of it, there's a lot less stretch in the tape. So I found that to be a lot more useful. So yeah, for me, I'll be carrying on using the PET tape, which is the Tesa. I found that just works a little bit better. I'll put the part number in the description. Hope you found this useful, and as always, if you can like and subscribe, that helps me a lot. Okay, thank you for watching.